creator of our very own Patio 10. That's Easton Outdoors. Micah Miller is the managing member. He joins us with some yard inspiration.
Yeah.
Good to see you. Welcome back.
Yeah,
what an exciting time for so many people.
It is. I know it's starting to get warm. It's starting to be exciting to be outside, except for pollen, but we'll get to that later.
Well, yeah, let's not worry about that. Just let's enjoy them, open those windows before the pollen sets in. Okay, so why is right now a great time to revamp your yard, maybe step back and take a look at what you're dealing with?
Yeah, so I mean, this time of year is when you really want to go outside. You really want to get out to enjoy the warmer weather. And I always call it kind of like the spring bump, where everybody's like, man, I'm tired of being inside. I'm tired of being cramped up. And this is the time of year to think about it. So in this particular segment, we're going to be looking at a yard that we revamped, and it's a project recap, if you will. It's going to be the start to finish of everything that went into making this project happen. So they wanted to be outside. They wanted to have a fire pit. They had an unusable backyard that was just grass, and they were looking for a way to have a fire pit where their friends could gather around it. And they were also looking to have a space where they could set out a table and chair and have their grill set up.
Is that the finished process right there?
That's it.
Okay.
Yes, you saw the before, you saw the design, and now you're seeing kind of all the elements that came together to create that.
And that right there is kind of a starting point. You can keep adding to that.
Yes, and they did as the project went along, actually.
and that's the beauty of it. Okay, so talk about the timeline for something like a project like this.
Yes, so this start to finish was 1 week. And there was a little bit of a delay, so we have a backlog usually of 6 to 8 weeks as we go into spring.
Right.
So they reached out to us, we did a phone consult with them, talked with what they were looking for, and then you can see in those before pictures the spray paint on the ground.
Right.
So that's the vision coming to life. And we actually moved the fire pit around the yard with those spray painted lines to find what was the right spot. And you can see these steps right here. Those were an old wooden, kind of dilapidated, slippery when wet, because that was the north side of the house.
Yeah.
And so we were able to get rid of those and actually get a stone step that won't be as slippery or be as much of an issue for them in the future.
Okay, so I can envision a pond feature. I can envision, the outdoor grill. I mean, there's so many different things you can do right there. But you mentioned the phone consult. How important is that? Because that seems like an easy way to achieve your end goal.
Yeah, so we can work inside of your guys' schedule to find out information about a yard being built out. And so what that usually looks like is somebody calls in and they say, hey, here's a project that I'm looking for. And usually I can share pictures of something that is similar to what they're asking for that we've already done. We've done over 1,000 patios over the last 6 years. And so I can share something that might be similar to what you're asking for. And then we can also talk about budget in that same phone consult and see if it's a fit, and then we can scale it back or make it even grow bigger if you want.
Okay, so we're going to pop up a QR code on the screen right now. If viewers want more information, how you can get started, point it at the code right there to get all the information you're looking for. So I'm looking at that, and I'm thinking, man, that's really, really nice right there. Do you mind if I ask how much that cost?
Absolutely.
Yeah, how much is something like that?
So this particular project was $25,500 for everything you see, the demo, the grading, the dirt haul away, all the pavers, the fire pit, whole 9 yards. So
that just adds value to the home, and it makes it, now they can really enjoy. Like right now, we're getting back into outdoor. Fire season. I mean, get out there, sit around the fire, and enjoy the evenings.
Yeah, and this is a quality of life purchase, right? This isn't necessarily something that you can justify any other way other than, hey, I want to be outside. And they say that the new 10,000 steps, it used to be, hey, get those 10,000 steps. The new 10,000 steps is actually being outside for 1 hour a day and getting some of that vitamin D and soaking it up. Helps with your depression, helps with how you're feeling throughout the day. So getting outside, even if there's pollen, is really important.
Yeah, well, you get tired of being inside, but you go outside, you enjoy it outside, you go back inside, you enjoy it even more. Micah, as always, thanks for the advice.
Yeah.
Enjoy your spring. We'll talk soon. This segment of Hit the Road Show is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. They're located at 550 With Creek Road in Pocosin. The phone number 757-262-3232. Schedule that phone appointment now. Visit easton-outdoors.com. Check out more photos on social media for inspiration. They're on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC.